I'm bringing in some toilet paper.
We need a salt sign on that thing. How do you think it looks with all that stuff in it?
It's terrible.
Kill the junk thing.
This one's empty. This one's not. Daddy, this one's empty. This one's not. See?
Our insurance agent knows the code to that. Yeah,
What is it?
I don't know. I can open the door all by myself. We've never videotaped the
Mommy?
house anyway.
No.
If you're a videotape, it's really good.
Mommy, can I ride my scooter?
Before. Yeah. Looks like they drove in a car and worked on it.
Got it.
Thanks, Andrew.
You're welcome. Come on. Will you get out my scooter?
Go check in the bedrooms. Oh, they can't be because they didn't come in. Order to have it turned off somehow. Someone else figured it out 2 months into it, 3 days before we needed it. Top of our cul-de-sac here?
Yes.
Not into people, please. Yeah, but you didn't turn to swim in it. I like Kent's shorts. I need to get you some of those. Corduroy shorts are cool on him. He's got a haircut. He's not on 1 inch. Kent, I think you have a bird's nest in this tree. I can't see the nest, but they keep going in and out of that same little spot, and the leaves keep going.
Like that! Cody! Come here!
What happened?
Here, let me do it.
Okay, go.
The puppet show is called The Boat by Aaron Hoyston. Yay! No, won't go where you help him. Yes, I will. I'll make the boat to go. And that's always the funniest part. The boat won't go. Will you help? Fear? Yes, I will. I'll make the boat to go. I just got a sock. Aaron's picking them all up and watch, Dad, watch. Splash!
What happened?
The boat sank. The boat won't go. I told you so. Yay! Now can I do the puppet show, Aaron? Sure. Okay. Come on. Whoever wants to do the puppet show after Andrew.
How do you know this
Is that a
one,
good
Andrew?
movie? Because I read it and I know. Hey Andrew, can I be your assistant and hand you all the guys? I want to do the puppet show is called The Boat by Andrew and Aaron Boydson.
Don't wiggle here.
The boat won't go. Will you help him? Yes, I will. I'll get the boat to go. No, the boat won't go. The boat won't go. Will you help him? Yes, I will. The boat won't go. The boat won't go. Will you help that? Yes, I will. I'll get the boat to go. No, the boat won't go. The boat won't go. Will you help her? Yes, I will. I'll get the boat to go. No, the boat won't go. Splash! Someone out.
Where's the little bird that says the last line? Where's the end of the story?
Here, let me help. I'm getting there.